I'm having problems getting the new body bushings fitted in the radiator frame. So yeah. All right. So in order to me to tighten it down, okay, that needs to go. This part here needs to set inside the hole. So this is where the frame is. So I've got it upside down. Here's the subframe, and then the rest of it gets sandwiched. So what I'm doing is I'm removing. This is the other one. I'm removing the rubber bushing from the steel sleeve, and then putting the bushing in first, and then push the steel sleeve in. So let me see if that works. Okay. So push that in, and then sleeve gets pushed in. And hopefully that'll sandwich down. All right, let's see if that works. All right, I just had to get it up and just put it. I just pushed the rest of it in by hand, so you can see now it goes through. Um, and then my bolt like that, and then the subframe sits here, and then bolts on. So now I've got more room to catch that nut on there to sandwich it together. All right, so you can see it's not centered, so it's just stand tight right now. But just to get you a look of what we're doing here, and then the nut here, so you can tell I just barely had enough room to get that on as it is. So I'll tighten that up, and then the other side. And again, we haven't done that yet, but you can see what I'm doing. And then what I'll do is the other the rubber piece, bolt. Set that sucker on. Make sure it goes all the way around. Washer. Bolt through. Oh, now I'm missing my stuff. All right. So, washer, lock, and bolt. Okay. I'm gonna put those on there. All right, here we go. So I'd push down pretty hard with the hand and just get that nut on. So now I'll tighten those up. But that's kind of it. That's how I figured out how to do it. So I don't know if these are just the cheap standard rubber bushings, body bushings. So if you have others, you go high performance or a different brand or whatever. But that's how we did these. So that's it. I'm going to continue.